What's up, Split My Mind family? Happy Friday afternoon. Oh, first I must say, YouTube, disclaimer, if you hear any music in the background, it's not in my area surrounding right here. If you look, breeze a blow, sound a travel, it's Friday afternoon. And everybody I do them little business and I play their music. So that's my disclaimer, YouTube. I make sure I move from the front of the yard where it was a little bit louder to come at the back. Alright? Anyway, wagwan my people, wagwan. I want new out here, bro. It's coming like one wine factory or one beer factory. We are brew liquor. Because every minute something else I brew out here to Rastaja. I want galang out here. Why galang out here? Because me see Queen was run out and said warning. When me she say warning, me swear say ninja man come out of prison. I do a state show down a prison. Warning. And I said warning to you, Tina. And don't make I come out here. Know what you do and tread lightly. Or else. Me don't know where the or else are. But we all know say them have secret for them one that cause this carry go bring come back in the days with Dana name and Dana this and Dana that and Dana Tara and Dara Wara and Dana cake and Dana pudding and Dana Tara. We know them have secret for them one that. She come out and she say Tina go on like say she in a Marcia, but she not in a Marcia. Because up to recently she sit down and a chat Marcia. We know Tina not in a nobody at all. So anybody out there will feel like Tina in a them, they make a sad mistake. Tina just in a you for what she can use you for do. Like how she take Duisha him and she a use him. That's why she run go accept the apology. Because she realize say Duisha dey on a trend and him moving up a little bit now. So basically she want to use him as part of her artilleries to help fight her WAR. But him not realize that. She have done it to him already. Not only she, Laurie and her master them done it to him already too. And him now learn. And him say him educated. But me no know what Tina have said why the Wasp come out with her sting them open up. But she want Tina, don't go there. Please don't go there. As somebody that want one another black guy, I don't know who the another black guy is. As somebody that want one another black guy, and I tell her, I say leave it. And she continue press me till I couldn't do any better than do what I have to do. And I am warning you now, Tina. Leave it there. Don't go no further. Because based upon what I understand, I have seen this woman make a post one day. She a show one house by one hill. But when me see the post, me not bother trouble it, me not bother say nothing. She make her post, everybody free for do what they do. But knowing me is a hard to believe in Thomas. Me not just take what me see and what me hear without any real hard evidence. But people free to do what them want to do in that sense. If me want to go back outside of one van where me feel like I'm my own and people want to have the thoughts on my own, or when me not give the thoughts on my own, your problem. But she make a post with one house by one hill, like one Airbnb or one of the hotel, small mini hotel or mini apartment. And what has been said where the post is concerned, she giving thoughts to people like this is her place. You understand? And like if you just go down video and say yes, and make people think what they want to think, that would be different. But she give thoughts like it's her place. Not saying she can't own the place, because we can't put nothing behind people, because it's not everybody really sure what them have, like myself. You understand? Yes, man. So we can't put nothing behind nobody. We can't underestimate and underrate people. But it seems like it unnerves in a Tina. Some people that say, boy, this jerk man say too. But it coming like Tina take it up and take it offensive and run out with other things because of what she Queen was have said. And take it up and fear head and must come out for Queen was based on what Queen was say. So when Queen was do know, Queen was doing a video. And she come out and she want Tina. So here we are going to get into the video So you know what they do? It is so easy. Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, hit the thumbs up when you hit the video. Please to watch the ads. That's all the video get a revenue, and that's all the channel gain a revenue, so me can give back to the needy. Oh, and I just deliver the grocery to the farmer recipient of Curly. I just as me come back, me just decide to do that video before I go up on the road. Because I go up on the road back, me now go do no more video for the day. I may have 2 videos to do, as a matter of fact, because I have one to do with Tina, you know. Me can't believe say Tina. Me about to go on my bed. And when me I go on my bed, like the last app I scroll upon is Facebook. After me come off of TikTok and YouTube, Instagram, the last app I scroll upon is Facebook, because I'm not too into Facebook. As me go and scroll, going on Facebook, Tina pop up upon me in front of my face. 22 minutes to 4. Before that I hear my phone go off. When me look, one of my subscribers in England text me, say Tina, they pan live and mad out over hour ad now. So when me check the time when me see her to the hour ad where the woman I say, that is like from about 2 o'clock Tina they pan live. Sleepless night. How can you be comfortable doing your business and benefiting so much from your business, Tina, and having sleepless night? Them time of Monday you're supposed to have sleep on a 5-6 o'clock where you can say you get up to do your morning course and stuff like that and get your business going. We had to up them the time of morning they pan live, and the all nasty careless people them over the 115 of them. Well, me know some of them might over there for just to mix up and thing, but boy, I don't know. You so comfortable in a life and okay in a life, and you sit down on people name and business we're better off than you, where you feel in a your head worse off than you, and where you hear cause she depend is Chris. So you take your medication for Dana, but the other side of you know with Chris, your head chip. So you're having sleepless night when him supposed to have sleepless night, you know, with all the way you say talk and happen between Chris and these Trinidadians and whatsoever. Him supposed to be the one who have sleepless night. And I bet you any money, well, the time frame between England and America is different. So at the time when you're on live a morning for Chris, but better during the hours where him supposed to have sleep, him have a good night rest. He still him now in a bed. Because you say you want to sell him your bed in the video and all kind of thing. But we are waiting till we get to that video. They probably a morning me post that video. Make we get into this. As me say, support the channel. Alright? And support the website by buying a t-shirt, charmsandtrend.shop. And continue. The cash app is there to support whatever way you can. It's not a charity, but I want to ask the cash app or some way you can give me. And then now me choose the opportunity and take it to give back to the needy and not the greedy. Alright? So, only just do continue to support the channel. Tomorrow, about midday, when we see it, I can upload the video tonight. I now release it tonight. After they give back to the farmer recipient of Marcia. You understand? When we see that video about 12 o'clock, I'm going to upload it tonight and release it tomorrow after I release the morning video upon this channel. So, I can get in the Wasp. It's not a long video.
Okay, I'm going to say this real quick, fast, and in a hurry. It's not going to be a long video, but this is just a message and a warning to Tina Chin. Tina Chin,
26 past 3, I'm going to eat from mine. Just actually wake and just straight to the woman to deliver the things.
Fair enough warning. If you value any association that we had in the past, because we've been coming for years now, right? This is for years and years. This is probably even before 2015 maybe, right? That is how long I've been in association with you. And throughout that whole entire time, I was one of your biggest supporters. I was one of your biggest motivator. I was the one that always in your inbox giving you ideas about different flavors of cakes. I was the one that listens to you when you want to gripe and complain about your children and complain about this and complain about that. I
want to listen, you know. Don't just listen what she has say about Tina and the warning about Tina. I want to listen and listen keenly and also assess she. No I'm not going to lie, me see she kind of travel upon her part, but me not easily convinced when you have a very terrible past, which you talk about like now. I am not easily convinced that you come around. I know people can change and go past them past. You understand? And as would all say, everybody deserves a second chance. But you have people who get second, third, fourth, and fifth and still go back to where they were before. Because the chance that they want was to, benefit themselves in certain way or the other. So I am not easily convinced, but I see she moving into a part, but just assess what she's saying. You understand? To show you how strongly she were behind some of the things that was going on out here. You understand? Thanks be to God if she coming around and realizing, as she said, but why take you as an adult who is older than Tina, you're older than Lorraine? Well, me don't know about you and Marcy, you're probably not the same 60-something age group. Me don't know. But you're older than those two persons. So why it take you so long as a grown adult to make people who is younger than you and probably not as much educated as you to continue to lead you down a path for so long before you realize that these people is non-progressive element. These people are jealous, bad mind, and don't like see progress. Why take you so long? That now you have to come around speaking of the same woman where you were once cliquing with people to tear down in one way or the other, to realize that this woman is the progressive woman. This woman is the woman with the blessing. This woman is the woman that God used as his servant to inspire and motivate people who sometimes see like life is at the end of the crossroad, when all you have to do is just cross the road now and you start to see light. But till you reach right on the crossroad and you travel so long and I see so much darkness, you just tell yourself, say, boy, right for the light, then now, you tell yourself, say, you give up. And this woman is out here to inspire and motivate, not to tear down. You understand? With her done self. The woman who don't know nothing in her life. The woman who tell you about everything about her granny. She don't know nothing about modern technology and modern life. You take so long to see the right path and stick with the people that know technology and them bright and them move with modern world and all them something there. We're not going anywhere. Like a light piece of metal with one magnet big so. Hold on upon them and clamp them and have them one place them can't move because them so light. And the magnet are heavy duty magnet, so it just hold them one place. Then can't move. You take so long. This is said these people was not progressive. These people was people who want to tear down people who is going forward. So this is where me I say to you, wanna just listen, not just where she coming at Tina, but the ears, like the ears of she being in a circle with them. I want to make fun of assessment of she. As I said, to me say where she's coming around, trying to get on the right part, but at the same time, I am not easily convinced. I am not going to say she's like a Dwayne who get how much chance and flip-flop. I'm not going to say that, but I am not easily convinced. So I am here just watching and stuff, and at the same time, all when she come around, I will be the same person I am where she's concerned. If she come out here come chat crap, I will be out here for her. And if she come out here and she says something good, and me feel like come out here come talk on it, me I go talk on it. I don't know everything me come out here come chat on, because I see the post and something flashing in my head me could have come talk about as when me just say a while ago. But me said to leave the one on our post. Whether a fear house or a fear house. Me hear people all a cuss and say, boy, she build up big house and still a fear walk down hill and a walk up hill in a mall and sitting. Come on. If you buy an undeveloped place, you have to be a part of the development, you know. Because you buy somewhere a piece of land where it's undeveloped, an area that is undeveloped. So basically, you buy that land, you have to be a part of that development. Where you're going to sit and wait till other people come develop the land, where them by side of you are near you. Come on, you have to be a part of the development. So that is nothing for people to come out here and talk about, but they still use it as content. So the issue right here is between that post that she made. So make sure continue anyway.
I was your ears, right? And I gave you my best advice at all time. Don't come here and talk about some old time shit where I used to in your inbox talking about the lady, this and that. We all used to talk about the damn lady. Move on. Because I have moved on. I have evolved from all that bullshit, okay? So
someone will love talk about. Make the video play now. You have another set love talk about. I can't bother with them, I can't bother to hear them. I better you talk more. So now I get a mixture of me talking more pertaining to the video and the person speaking also. So let me see. I can't please people, you know, I have to try please yourself.
don't bring that mess up to try to validate you coming out here trying to curse me and disrespect me. What was that all about yesterday? Really and seriously, like what was that really all about? You got into your feelings because of what I posted and my accomplishments that I posted on social media. That's the only reason why I can say you came at me the way you did. Because any video that I do about you, T, have always been respectfully. I give my opinion about certain situation respectfully. And you're sitting there telling your audience how I make video trying to bring down your business and try to tear down your business, and I'm trying to take money out of your mouth. Tina, like seriously? Do you realize that you are your own effing and worst enemy on social media? Do you realize that? Do you realize that you are the biggest tear down of your own business?
It only sad that it take you so long, as me say, for a growing ass woman to find out all of this. Yeah, you know, it take you so long. It shouldn't have taken you so long to find out this. Especially with Tina. Because you said 2015, that is like 10 years ago. It's been long gone before that. But baby Sham there, it is long gone before that. Tina is out here going at people. So she have a history behind her long before you. So that history, for a growing ass woman, you did supposed to realize now. Say this company is not a good company, a bankruptcy this. Yes, me nah invest my time and money in other company a bankruptcy this. So this a company you shouldn't join it. And after you join it, play a blind eye to the history. It take you so long because 2015 and call it last year then. Give it up till 2014. 2024 I mean. That would be like 9 years. Or even 8 years. It take you to realize who you are dealing with. After she have a long history. Come on, man. But people, when you remember, say Easter there around the corner. It's another baking season for Tina. And every time a baking season is coming up for Tina, this is how she behave. You notice she go at everybody. Because if the woman post of her achievement is what she's going after the woman for, that is nothing for her to go after the woman for. You understand? Because these are the things, you know. People post things and because they're guilty of things, them always feel like at them it go for. Yes, it might go for you, but me never direct it to you. And it wasn't you at the time me I talk about. Or somebody else. But true it go for you and you're so guilty of it. You take on to it. But as I said, Tina is going to take on to everything right now. Easter is coming up. Cheese in a bun. Cheese in a bun. Cheese in a bun. Yes, bun season now come up. Come on, people, get your bun with your cheese inside of it. Yes, all in one. It is coming up. So she need all the papers. So all the year she talk about kinds on social media and a kinds, run down and little likes and share and super chat and this. That's the same thing she's depending on. If not, me pay my money to pay for that person cake that she has used their money, and then the next person money come pay for my cake where she use my money. That's the only way. She have no other way. For our business is not profitable enough to sustain a day-to-day production. You understand? There's no way you can be selling 6-cup cake and giving away 6 free. Buy one, get one. Sale on a daily basis. As one sale done, another sale come. And your product is top of the line product according to you. Come on. Make that make sense. As me say every day,
Tina, when you cursed you went down the line with everybody name and you disrespected every last one of us and cursed us out and said the most nastiest thing that comes out of your mouth towards everybody. And then at the end of it, TinaChinCake.com, go place your order. TinaChinCake. Do you know how stupid, unprofessional, and crazy that sounds?
Set up part there, get it me here.
Do you sound like a professional business person? And then you wonder why your business is not doing well. You wonder why people are not ordering from you. You wonder why no one is supporting you, Tina Chin. How can you mix the two on your own business page? Don't come at me in a disrespectful way because I did not disrespect you. But Tina Chin, I promise you, we can effing go there. You want to go there? We could go there.
Warning.
Okay? And I'm trying not to go there with you.
I get bleak.
You see how I try so hard with another blogger and it would not stop? They just keep coming at me and coming at me and coming at me, and then I had to unleash on their ass. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Tina.
Same so she got one Curly. And Curly not to warning. She unleash.
Okay?
Tina?
Please, I'm asking you, just like I asked before, and they did not listen. Let's not go there, okay?
Warning.
I have a lot of respect for you, or I did have a lot of respect for you, and I had a lot of love for you.
Have more for Marcia than you.
Let's not go there.
Take heed and take a warning.
Let's get a few things straight,
Me don't want you to take a warning, though.
I don't give 2 shits whether you and the other blogger remain friends. Don't come out here and paint any kind of false narrative that I have an issue between you guys remaining friends. Because you know what? As far as I'm concerned, you both deserve each other. Yes, you both deserve each other. Because you both are on the same tip. You're on this, let's just cuss and disrespect everybody that's trying to do good. Let's just bad mind and jealous and envy of people that's, accomplish things in their lives. And you look at them like, okay, they shouldn't have it, you should have it. Ain't no one stopping neither one of y'all to achieve what the other person achieved. Nobody's stopping you. But you're stopping yourself.
This is not like she's talking what I want to hear, that's why me I side with her, I will never ever side with them. But me just say it as it is, as you know. If 3 of them, them task, and me feel fit to come out here, come dissect where I go on, or highlight where I go on to the people who not jump no fence and don't know where I go on, I am going to do it. And if suspect A says something where me feel like it's true, me go give her the props. If suspect B says something, me go do the same. And suspect C says something, me go say the same. But that no mean me and none of them are friend. That no mean me a side with none of them. That no mean me want a friend for none of them. Because at the same time I show up the whole 3 of them. But that is how me is. If she says something, where I saw it go, me I gonna say yes, that's true. But at the same time, the belt still there over her back. Alright.
I am not the cause or reason of any business that you claim that I'm taking bread out of your mouth or I'm trying to destroy your
Yeah,
business.
regular
No,
talk that.
Tina, you
But she
have
not
your
take no bread
own
out of
self
nobody
to
mouth.
blame for that. And I'm telling you, let's not go down
Amount of
that
business
road,
people she
okay?
try to
And
tear
don't
down.
talk about some bullshit. Oh, it's because that individual party is coming up is the reason why you're jealous and into your... Tina, do you hear yourself?
Tina, I wonder if you know that I can pop up if I want. I have no shame, Tina. I have no shame, Tina. I will pop up if... She never said so, and me I said that. Only not gonna say the woman said so. But knowing she have done it before. Cause as she said, she take these things as drama. She take these things, she don't take these things serious. And when I don't know she. You understand? She's different. She don't take anything seriously. So she will just buy a ticket and pop up. Or did it and pop up. So uno put it past her. Uno notice me do one thumbnail. We do a massive video last week where me I say empty party coming up soon or flop party coming up soon. Uno notice 3 individually there on the page post the thumbnail. One man in the middle like him are the only man at the party with the promoter and our second. Who is the promoter? Curly. And who is our second? Remember say our second? The second have a look one Heineken bucket. Curly have one Heineken tin in her hand as a promoter. The man in on the floor not have nothing. So the bar not sell. And who me credit cheap on the thumbnail because when me look, she's the only friend we did there with a bucket with about 6 Heineken in it. When I go back and look at the thumbnail, because sometimes I don't read the thumbnail them right, you know. When I just see them, but I don't read and look at them. 3 somebody at the party, and she was one. So I'm not surprised if she turn up on that one here too. So Tina, you can't watch the Wasp and Marcia. The Wasp no business.
How can I be jealous of... Oh my God, let me not say that. Tina, just know that I am extremely busy with 2 jobs and also planning my own birthday party, my own extravaganza.
You gotta invite
That I
Marcia.
put a lot of money into. I am busy
Yeah, true
planning
wood.
and
You put a lot of
organizing
money.
with my
So Marcia don't
team
put none.
my own birthday party. I don't have no time to think about anybody little... Let me not go there. Okay? So please get that
She was real troublemaker, you know. You hear her? I am planning my own birthday party, my own extravaganza that I put a lot of money in. Basically, what I showed this up. Mass and me realize what I showed this before she said what she said a while ago. Mass and I put no money in a fear one. She's too busy to be penetrating somebody who is keeping a lick. You know, let's not go there. What I show up her Marcia. And this is how she stay. She's very niggling and tingling. You know, then a small common pin. Where when you have it in the hand, you have to hold it good. If you don't mind sharp, it in the hand, you never know. And she just barely hold the pint and just stick you. Just like when time you go to a doctor and they might give the injection and then put the tip part of the needle upon you, you start jump. Yeah, at such a stage, she just ting you with them little common pin there.
shit out of your mind. No one is jealous of anybody's party. Nobody's in no kind of feelings about any party. Okay? So please get that out of your head. And you and I both know, Tina Chin, that you and that individual, you and I both know that you don't care much for her.
You don't like
But no
her.
matter what I try to tell her about some of these fake ass friends behind social media
Right, Tina.
or behind the screen,
Me not lie,
that's being
you seem
very
like one genuine friend
hypocritical
to her, but she
her
don't see that. I saw it always
and
go.
chat her really bad behind her back.
I saw it always going up people. Because me not gonna lie. Me see the Wasp as a more genuine friend to Curly more than enough of who she has said she and them a friend. Enough of who she has said she and them a friend and some new people she meet on social media. It's probably because of what them have. And what them might pass on to her now and again, because them not give her not no much. Curly take them up and say them a friend. She show a more genuine friendship to Curly. Because when somebody I gotta tell you say not invite you somewhere and you still turn up because you have them as a friend. Somebody gonna keep something and them not invite you, and you reach out to them to be a part. Remember, if me and your friend, you're not supposed to reach out to me, Me supposed to say to yourself, look, I keep a cruise, I keep my birthday upon the ship, and whatsoever. Right. So, I don't know if you want to come, if you can make it or what, right? Me not supposed to come to, and she go out her way, as we Curly say. She never invite her because she and I never talk. But at the same time, she push the effort with support. Even the party, the last one last year, basically she wasn't invited. She and Curly wasn't friends. She still turn up. The friends that was asked to assist, say them sick, them can't assist. Them not in the mood to do that. But it's still, that friend turn up at the party. How can you be sick and still turn up at the party? Same as how you turn up at the party, that's the same way you could have turned up and come assist me. Because if you can't find the strength to do that, come on. You could have come and assist me. She was the one who was not invited. Turn up and see that things never go right. And jump around. And at the end of the day, she get the the stick of thief in money and this and that, and she push up and she this and. So me have she as a more genuine friend than all of them, honestly. But you
She
never
don't
see a real
believe me,
friend them.
right?
I don't
But
want
she
them to
will
fake you
find
see.
out the hard way one
Because
day.
the one them where you
Tina
fake
Chin,
always do the
you
utmost
know.
best for your belief, say them a friend.
Let's not go there. Don't take me there. Let's just leave it right where it's at right now.
Warning.
You chat that individual up to recently in a very, very derogatory way. Let's not go there,
You have
Tina
it on
Chin.
tape?
Let's not go
It did
there.
a tape?
All right? I'm just warning you.
It did a tape?
Let's not go down that road.
Make sure you have it on
And
tape so when you
again,
come out you have the evidence.
I am not your problem. You are your own.
Make sure you have that pan tape, So if she force if you come out and she not heed pan the warning, you have it can't play. Because what? Me dying for somebody show Marcia say Tina and her friend. Because she always a go on like her feel like say Tina and her friend. And we know Tina and a friend nobody. Tina is only out here for herself. Not nobody else but herself. So if she can use you to get to where she want to get to, she will do so. But otherwise from that, she's not here for nobody. And it is evident, as you always say. I don't know if I two people are taught now, she run out a post Marcia flyer. That is a one-off party. Marcia have a business. You ever post Marcia business like how you post her flyer? No. And Marcia has post her business over and over on her page. You understand? So that alone show you Tina no share nothing. The only thing Tina share, anytime Tina share nothing nobody, is something where a true word, or when she copy somebody something and want to come and make it look like hers. And I never share, she share it for nobody because she not share it from the people them page. What she do, she splice and split it out and edit it and make it look like a fear or something. Even inspirational things. You understand? She splice it and she edit it like a she sit down and orchestrate that. When a somebody page she get it from. So Tina not share nothing for people. So we all know Tina is for herself.
Own problem. And I realized that when I posted my accomplishment the other day, I was already pre-warned that some of you guys gonna come at me, and you're the first one to jump out because that is what you do. You're very jealous and bad mind of anybody that you see trying to make something up themselves and something up their lives. And if you want to say I'm kissing ASS, so be it. It's a good inspirational ASS to kiss.
Not the one where she a kiss.
Okay? It's a very motivational ASS to kiss.
Take
So
your
if
too
I'm
long
going to
to
kiss
find out.
anybody's ASS, I'd rather it be them than you guys.
Take your
Because
too
as far as
long
I'm
to find out.
concerned, spot where you was spot.
All of the bad oxygen for out of them, the people they be would have pies your body long time. You understand? Because you take too long to find out. Before you come where the good oxygen is from day one, you find yourself where the bad oxygen is. Every time them that the oxygen they go up in your snow pot. You understand me? It take you how much years to find out?
5 years ago, to me,
Them say
you're in that
better late
same
than
spot
never
and
still, but
even
me
worse.
feel like
And
you're
that
too
goes for a
late.
lot of
You
you
have to just
guys on
work on your
social
own.
media. That's bad minding, jealousing,
Go and do
and
what you
cussing
do
and
best
disrespecting
and
people that's
work on
trying to
your
make
own.
something of themselves. Yes, you at the same spot you was 5 years ago and even worse. Who wants to follow that? Who wants to kiss that kind of ASS? No, baby love.
Boy, you
I'd
did it
rather
for
kiss an
9 years out of the
ASS
5.
that's going somewhere
9 years?
that can motivate and
After that
inspire
5
me,
years,
and that
you
is what
was
I'm gonna
there.
do. So you know
So
what? Get over it. Get over it. But
5
I'm
years should have the
telling
same
you,
spot and you're there
stop
with
from
her. You're
coming
there
out and
against her for 9
disrespecting me the
years.
way you have, because any video that I make concerning you in it, I've been respectful. I don't come out, I don't class your business, I don't downgrade you, I don't call you name, and I don't disrespect you. And anybody that listening to your live yesterday saying that I'm putting down your business, they should really and truly know that you're a dirty, stinking liar, because I did not do that, and it
From
was
day
not
one,
meant for
when you
you
know
and
that.
that. So
Just
please
now,
stop it. Don't spread that kind of
the
narrative,
belt over your
okay?
back
And
now
I'm
so you
telling you,
find out.
Tina, don't let us go down that road. I'm begging of you, don't let me have to do it, okay?
Don't
All
or
right.
else.
Anyway, guys, you have a wonderful day, evening, after.
But you see, it is so funny. The belt of it over your back now. For you come out here and confirm that she's a liar. But all these years before, when you were siding with her, and people were saying things like that, say she's a liar and she fabricate and she delusional and all this, you wasn't seeing it that way. Because probably you and her was friend, and this is what I am saying. You can't be friends with people and them a go down the wrong path and you make them a drag you down there too. If you can't tell me as my friend say, or me can't tell you as your friend say, XYZ, me no want a friendship from you before, so I stay and separate myself from you without any argument. Because we don't have to vex, you know, more than me just separate myself from you. Me no lot nor part with you because me can't tell you say you're wrong. Me fi always tell you say you're right. So when you go down the sloopy road, me a go end up go down there with you, and me not go make you drag me down there. It never have to take you know where she have a belt over your back once. You understand? You are gonna come out here now, come say all of this when you know this in yourself long time, but you never tell her. You prefer come out here for people where I tell her that. Come show your word pan them and say all kind of things. Anyway, people, bless up on yourself in happy Friday. Enjoy the rest of the Friday. Tomorrow I start the market day, soup day. I have a Tina video, I'm gonna drop it on morning. Me can't believe 3:30 this morning, and to my knowledge, she was on the live when me find out like an hour before. What make you can't sleep, girl? What make you have it? And then like you get up and talk about something you dream about, or a motivational speaker, or you praise the Lord, or some Bible. Chris, Dana, Noel. Because of the life, you know, Dana, Noel, Chris. Jesus, the people that make you can't sleep, man. Them living in your head rent free, as them would have said. Lord God, man, you say you have bed. After me come off of the social media last night, as me say, at 2 o'clock today me wake up, and that was like 4 o'clock me end up going to bed. And at 2 o'clock since day me wake up. And when I wake up, I call the woman and tell her, say, hey, what, when I reach it, if I see Marcus Garvey drive clear, I call her, you start walk, come out, because I'm not supposed to come and wait for you. And I still end up have to go and wait for her, although she never take long. 2 o'clock, I wake up on my bed. And when I get up, I want to get up. I want to so have nice, comfortable bed. And 2 o'clock at night, before morning, you can't sleep. You know, on life, you over 2-3 hours. Daylight come catching up on life. Only TikTok of them say daylight catch them and through them up here work for them kinds. You're not working no kinds, because you're bantan social media kinds. And bantan all look social media kinds. Because you said that can't help you. So where you're on live, I do so late. Speak my mind, people, no do like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, hit the thumbs up on the video. Please to watch it ads and continue to support the backup channel Life is a Mission TV. Follow me also on TikTok, Life is a Mission TV. And remember now, go support the merge. Check out the website of charmsandtrend.shop. The Speak My Mind merge, yeah, and the Life is a Mission merge. Support the merge, and remember the cash app is there. You ask her to get it. $sign Charms and Trends. When you give me, I use a gift to give back to the needy and not the greedy. And you can also check out the Instagram page, charmed underscore and underscore trends on Instagram. Anything you see over there, you get it customized, just drop in the DM for further information. I go straight to the website and make your purchase. The best thing to shop with charms and trends, you get whatever you want. You can request what you want. Alright? Peace out.